So now see here I have added this C4, okay, for the jump for like I want to jump chapter 4, and this is C7, I want to jump that's chapter 7. But for this recognitions or identity I have added here the ID, okay, because this is unique ID which is fetched by this C4, right? So now let me run this one. Okay, so now here you can see our chapter 7 8, right? There is chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter till the chapter 9. Whenever I want to just go to the chapter 4, just click here, and you can see chapter 4 directly visible for me, right? Whenever I am clicking here, see here, it's scroll down and go to the chapter 7. See here, chapter 7 now visible. Like this you can use it. Suppose I add here chapter 9 is not visible, right? If I am adding here chapter 9, let me remove this, and let me remove this one also, and adding here chapter 9. Okay, whenever I am going here and just refresh this one. Why it's not working? Okay, let me rerun this one. Give me 1 second. I think there is some issue. Chapter 9. Okay, here is the issue. Now let me refresh this one. And this is not visible. What is going on? Okay, now you can see. So see here, here is right now not visible the chapter 9, 9, right? Just like you can add like chapter 50 in your page, there is so many. If you are writing reading any book, there is so many pages, right? 200 to 600, something like that. So you can add this by using the by jump that particular page. So see here is chapter 9 is not visible. Now whenever I am clicking here, you can see it is scroll up, and now it is visible, right? So like this, if you have so many pages, then you can just bookmark here, and you can use this one. Suppose if you are creating any landing pages regarding food or restaurant or anything, or any product. Suppose you are creating any landing pages, suppose by some product is for men's, some product is for women's, and some product is for children. So like this bookmark, you can add that one whenever any users, if your any customers or client or users are men's, then they can directly jump that particular men's sections, and they are they can see there all the product related to men, right? If they want to go to the women section, they can directly jump for their women link, and she can all the like product related to women. Like this, you can use this in your landing page also, in your content, in marketing cloud or everything. If suppose you are like you want to um, uh, want some feedback about your product, then you can also like use that this bookmark, if you want to like feedback about your sneakers, about your clothes, then you can separately use your feedback, click on that and give some feedback here. Like this you can use, right? This is clear, right? uh, uh, yeah, always remember you have to use first link, okay, and then you have to use that particular id, okay, about that link. Like this you can you can share you can use your bookmark. So now bookmark section is you have any doubt related to this section? No, right? It's clear. Okay, so let me. Screen is visible for you? Okay. So now we are going to the image section, image properties. Okay. So this is not the related to any big things, so you have to just you have idea how we can use the image, right? So we are using some source and there we can use our image, but in image we have so many things, if we want to fix that image, if we want to like uh, uh, like uh, move that image particular, if you want if we want images size or round off, we want to circle that image, these type of things you can use another features for that, some animated image or anything, right? So like this you can use. So basically this is the more about the images css parts, because if you want to add some of the images features, then you have to use the styles, okay, for that. If you want to use images simply like simply in the page, then you can use that particular image by simply use your image source url, and then you can use that image simply, right? But if you want to use image by using like some alternative some images maps, or you want to fix that image if your text is going on is your scroll down is still your images save in one place, fix in one place, not the move that image with the text, then you can use that one also. Okay, so let's see one by one. So so I'll use one of the simply image for that, how we can use that image one by one. Otherwise we can some another properties we are using in next session, because this is the little bit big. Okay, okay, so suppose I am using one of the image. Comment out this section. Okay, so simply what you can do, you have to just use the images. So simply, okay, we are to here I am using some my image. Okay, so and here I want to like use that image URL. So you have to remember, right? We have to first use image and then we are using the source, right? And inside source we can use our image. So here in my file there is demo image, right? So I can use this image. If you want to use some URL for that, then you can use directly that one also. Okay, not here, in here. Check demo. Okay. This one. And always remember, always like for the good practices, just use your alternate messages here. Okay, so I am using some descriptions like my image. Okay, and then I am using some CSS here. Suppose I am using some width is equal to 500 and height is like 300 something. Okay, so let me okay, so let me execute this and then we will see what happened. Okay, okay, so this is our page. Let me refresh it. So see here, our my image is visible, right? So this is the first one. Okay, first feature. So this is the simple features how we can add our image, right? So there is another features which we are going to, let me show you. Also I provide you one of the HTML notes also. So where in there all the features is mentioned, so that, and also some exercise. So you can after this complete this HTML course, you can refer that exercise for your best practices. Okay, so this is simple, right? This is understandable for you. Okay, so suppose if you want to suppose if you want to add your image size or everything, then you have to just simply use your height or width a little bit, give your value change, and then you can resize or use that particular image according to your size, right? So like yeah, so source is the attribute, you know about that, right? Source is the attribute, suppose if your image tag is empty and it contains attribute only and does not have any closing tag. So source, see here I am not using any closing tag here if you in the image section, right? So in that case, image has two required attribute, that is source, which is specify the path to the image, and another one is alt, which is specify an alternate text for the image. Okay, so there is no need to use the closing tag for this. So now, if you want to um, uh, uh, you can use, if you want to resize your width and height, then you can use simply style attribute, and then you can simply use that particular all the things like width, height, everything, right? According to your style, which type of style you want. So always specify the width and height of an image. Okay, if width and height are not specified, the web page might flicker or while the image loads. Okay, so whenever image is loading, then your alternate message is populated there. Okay, so this is clear, right? So suppose if you want to use your image in another folders, or some another your image in another folder, not the direct here in your file. Okay, in your suppose in here you can see clearly I am importing this in this folder, right? If your image is in another folder, then you have to simply like this, you have to simply use some slash. Okay, inside here in up after this source, and then you can simply give the location. Okay, not the query, so you have to give the location and you can use that one. Suppose your image in your image folders or in their folder, then you can use just slash and give that folder name, and then after that give your image name. Like this you can find your particular images. Okay, and one more thing, just like the external link which we are using, Google or everything, you can use the external images also. You have to put in here just that images link. Okay, and then you can use that image link directly. Like suppose in Google you are finding any another link, like any random link, image link, then you can use that particular link here, and then whenever you are using that link, then you can see your particular image in here. That is simple. You have to just give your image link here in replace of this local link, like local address for your image link. It's clear, right? And suppose if you want to use some animated link. Okay, let me show you some animated link. Okay, so suppose I am using here animated link, right? So I have to just remove here and add that animated link. GIF. Okay, gift basically. So whenever you are using this gift, and then you can you can see directly your animated link is populated in your web page. Let me show you. So now see here, like this is so long. Let me this 100, this also 100. Now so see here, like this you can use your animated link or animated images also. Okay, it's clear, right, about images. So in the next session we are going to the uh, we are move some another features in the images, how we can fix our images, or how we can round shape, give round shape, or give resize, or floating images. These type of images we are using. We can use learn about how we can float our images or anything, right? Float and fix. So there is some images app, or some background images, like suppose sometimes you can see in a random page and there is images background, and in that particular on that particular image there is some text, right? You can write your text in on your image, like that is the background image features. Okay, so we will learn about that one also. Okay. Okay, so today, this is all about the today's session. You have any doubt about this? Okay, that's great. Okay, so let's meet in the next session, and we will learn some more about these images, about images. Okay. So there is so many features in images, so not this one only. So some background images, some picture elements in here, so we are learn one by one about that one. And after this we will learn about the tables, how we can create the tables and list. Okay. Okay. So if you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Otherwise you can just practice and let me know if you have any doubt in the next session. Okay. Okay, Devin, thank you so much. Bye.